They are apart, but they are also connected by this work that is a lifetime for each one of them.
They are so smart, they are so talented, and I'm so grateful to this opportunity to do something that I don't usually do.
I feel like I've learned a lot from this experience, and I want to do another one.
Thank you very much. And hey, congratulations. First ever Women Game Jam here in Canada. It sounds like a very cool event. We're very honored to that you've chosen to amplify the work that we do, which is also speaks to the supporting and pushing forth of women. And we work from a decolonial, intersectional, anti-oppressive, and feminist approach, and we provide a vast matrix of supports and services and advocacies for women, femme and non-binary people who experience violence and gender-based violence. And so your fundraiser today allows us to do, or to continue to do, work that is like so amazing and life-saving. So like whatever you did, however you contributed to a 24-hour crisis line for women, people experiencing gender violence, their children, friends, and family members to reach out and get help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. A legal advocacy program for helping women fill out forms, get ready for court, anything, counseling for women and children, special programs for two-spirited LGBTQ. I've got Sunday Mouth. We have an Indigenous women's program, a Latin women's program, a Black women's program. We have an employment program. We have called Aware. We do resume services. We have Thrive, which is a program that helps men and women who have a learned and known experience and are thinking of transitioning out of working in the sex economies or lessening their dependence on working in the sex economies. We run 2 social enterprises. We have a eco-thrift store called My Sister's Closet that is a bricks and mortar and also functions online. And we also offer strategic interventions and crisis prevention training, so to individuals and also to corporations and organizations, where we come from an intersectional, decolonial, feminist perspective to offer training and support to help grow this into a much better world for all you wonderful young people as we step into it. So thank you very, very much. I'm really excited that we're part of this really cool thing that you're doing and that you chose to amplify the work that we do. And I'm going to keep an eye on you because I think it's super cool. I'm not a gamer. 2 thumbs for texting. But please do follow us on Facebook, Twitter. We've got a newsletter, and Pina put up some of our information there. So if you do know anyone who's experiencing violence, or you yourself are experiencing violence, you can call, text, or email. Or if you'd like to learn more about how you can get involved or participate in our volunteer training program, it is life-changing and life-saving. So thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye.